Outdoors with Doc, the Cajun Outdoorsman, brought to you by Billy Navarre Chevrolet, Lake Charles and Sulphur. Montana Tractors from South Circle Tractor Sales, Alexandria, Louisiana. See Mitch. Trophy Bass Fishing, Lake Guerrero, Mexico. Plano Tackle Boxes featuring the Tackle Logic system. Pfluger Fishing Tackle, love at the first bite. Shakespeare Rods, manufacturers of the Ugly Stick, America's strongest rod. Cajun Line Company, manufacturers of Cajun Red Lightning Line. Reeves Taxidermy, nationally certified, Gillis, Louisiana. El Salto Pro Bass Adventures, Lake El Salto, Mexico.
Can't let him get in that rope. You ready? You gotta catch him on this one. All right.
Nice fish.
Oh, man. 10 pounder. Another 10 pounder. For sure. All right. Keep doing it. Outdoors with Doc, El Salto. I got at least 9, 10 pounder, maybe more. Let's go get some more. Keep doing them. It's amazing. Can't believe it. Huh? Put them back in. I'm supposed to say. All right. CC. No, I thought it was bigger.
What you need in there for?
Huh? You know how them fish are, you can't tell what you got.
Sure.
Could be a big one, could be a little one. Just never know. But it's still a fish. Pound and a half, whatever. But we caught them. That's what counts. Having fun. Man, we caught so many fish, it's unbelievable. CC. Yeah, he's still on, but he's right.
He's trying to, there he goes.
Hey, come on.
Come on.
Be careful now.
No, we're going to keep
Let's
him
get him in because...
Go. There he is. Back at you. That railing it fast going across the top of the trees and he hit it right up in there.
These nets are getting catching a workout. That's a good 8 pounder. Mike, congratulations, man. You're doing it good.
It works. That thing has come out.
Oh, it's stuck in there.
It had it good.
Pretty fish. Mike Walls from Lake Charles, Louisiana. Oh, where you from?
Lake Charles close enough.
All right. Outdoors with Doc. We're back at El Salto. Tommy's still at El Salto, so we're gonna be back though. I promise you that. We're having a blast and we're catching fish like crazy. It's almost unbelievable. In fact, it is unbelievable. Big fish, lots of them, and we're gonna turn this big bad boy loose again.
Let's go up a little more.
Come on, do your little dance for me now before you go. Come on, there he goes. It's off and running. Let's go get some more.
Cajun Red Lightning, the line that catches you more fish. The unique formula of Cajun Red allows the line to disappear underwater. Combined with super abrasion resistance and low stretch technology, Cajun Red Lightning is proven to catch more fish.
Whether trolling for dolphin or bottom fishing for snapper, Cajun Red Lightning catch us more fish. Get on the red line.
Cajun Red Lightning, virtually invisible when it counts.
From the moment you pick it up, it's love.
Got a winner there.
What? Got a winner there. It's a fluger.
Fluger fishing tackle. Love at first bite.
Automobile accident. All of a sudden, your life has changed. Headaches, neck pain, whiplash, mid-back pain, low back pain, radiating pain and numbness into the arms, hands, legs, and feet. Want relief? Come to Massey Chiropractic Clinic. They have state-of-the-art cervical and lumbar decompression tables, which reduces surgery by 86%. We have 2 locations to better serve you. 4100 Louisiana Avenue in Lake Charles, 439-9306, and 1908 Maplewood Drive in Sulphur, 533-8750. Massey Chiropractic. Relief is just a phone call away.
Why buy new when you can buy reconditioned tractor packages at South Circle Tractor Sales? Starting at just $55.95, this includes a reconditioned 18 to 21 horsepower diesel compact tractor, plus a new 16-foot dual-axle trailer, dirt blade, brush cutter, lift pole, and a limited 6-month powertrain warranty. South Circle Tractor Sales is your authorized dealer for Massey Ferguson, Coyote, Grasshopper, and Vermeer. With one of the largest inventories in the South, we can build the perfect package for any budget. Visit our full-service facility at 3000 MacArthur Drive in Alexandria.
We'll take them. We'll throw them back, but we'll take them. Go get some more. Out the small one.
I did a little small one.
Oh, man. Oh, we lost that worm? Oh, man. Well, Mike got him another good one. Huh?
How deep was he, Mike? How deep was it? Good. Ran out a little bit that way. All right.
Okay. What's that, about a 5-pounder, Mike?
Yeah. 5.5. Nice fish. Fat.
All right.
We've been needing that.
Let's go get some more. Oh, Mike caught him a nice one. I'm going along this bank here. Okay, Alto. Huh? Yeah, well, he'll grow up to be big.
Oh, yeah.
All right. What'd you say, Mike?
Go get some more.
I need to get over there. He's off. Huh?
You got him loose?
I think so. A good one. I think he's a good one anyway.
All right. There you go, make him jump.
Oh.
That's a start.
Huh?
That's a start.
Ah. Where's the scale? Well, that's about a 10-pounder, 11-pounder. Huh? This sucker's fat, huh?
Yeah, it's got a belly on it.
Huh?
Got a belly on it.
You got me all full of fish. Ken? Mike, you got me all full of fish.
Hey, that's part of fishing.
God, no. What you gotta do is just blinking.
Then zero up.
We got a zero. He's more than 5 pounds. How you work that thing?
I don't know.
Okay. That's nice fish, huh? See the belly on that thing?
Try that. I don't know how that will work.
What's his name? No.
See if that one will work. You getting something?
Yeah. 10-2. Huh? Yeah. Gonna try that one too. Get a double scale here. See what we got. Yeah. 10-3.
Close enough.
Chunk him back, huh? Ah, come on, big boy. That was a good fight. Go get him. That's what we're looking for. I got myself all full of fish here. He slapped my arm. Outdoors with Doc. El Salto Pro Bass Adventures. Let's go get some more. Huh?
Let's do it.
All right. Whew. Alto. That's good. It's about a 5-pounder. Good heavy 4, 5. Outdoors with Doc. El Salto. Gracias. See.
Right by the boat, close to it.
Close, huh? Yeah. All right. I might get on them. 3-pounder. Yeah. All right. All right. John Wall got a nice 4-pounder, 5-pounder. Tell you what, yeah, they're good looking fish, but they start looking small when you put them 13s and 11s and 12s. So, well, put them back. When we come back next time, he'll be another pound or 2 bigger, maybe, hopefully.
Got that blind eye.
Yeah, and they're still hitting it.
Still eating.
Yeah.
Real Salto bass.
There he goes. What you say, John?
Let's go get some more. Let's do it.
What's it say? Huh?
11 pounds.
11-pounder? All right. You getting ready to chunk them back?
Take a picture of it.
Okay. Hey. Psst. All right. John Wall, Lake Charles, Louisiana. Got a nice 11-pound bass. Turn that big boy loose. Oh yeah. There he goes. Nice 11-pounder. All right, we done caught some good fish here. Got a jumper here. What is tough? Huh? They don't want to be caught. They gotta jump out of that water. One more time. Watch the dog.
Let's see him touch that net.
Huh?
Touch that net a little bit. They don't like that net.
Had a monster hooked up a minute ago. I lost him. Got him. All right.
Sure is pretty.
Let's go get some more. Oh. Whew. Had him hung up in that big old tree. Oh, well, that's a nice fish, huh? Oh, let's go get some more. It's not. All right. Y'all come. It's all right, he's coming. There you go. Get ready? Ah. Whew. That one kind of wore me out. That's a good 8, huh? Maybe even close to 9. Huh? All right. That's a pretty fish. Outdoors with Doc and El Salto, tearing them up still. That's all I can say is, y'all give us a buzz, give them a buzz, come down here and some of the fabulous fishing, bass fishing of your life. So, Outdoors with Doc, let's go get some more. All right, throwing that snide of crankbait. Oh, boys got them tied up too. I don't think we need the net, might get it caught in there. Dance for me one more time. Dance, one more time. That snide of bait got them all locked up, don't it? Oh, what are we gonna do with that thing now? With all them hooks. Get the pliers. There you go.
That's fish.
Yeah, pretty fish. Not a crankbait. Just get this on. All right. It's not a deep diver. Outdoors with Doc. We got Salto. Let's go get some more. About a 3, 3.5. Go back. Cajun Kiss. Let's go get some more. El Salto.
Quality, value, and performance for today's sport optics user sums up what outdoorsmen have discovered about Alpen Optics. Alpen products feature the latest ergonomic designs, the finest quality glass and optical coatings, and technological advancements featured in today's best optics. Add to this Alpen's exceptional customer service, lifetime product warranty, and it's clear why Alpen products are the rave in sports optics. Established in 1997, Alpen had developed a full line of binoculars, spotting scopes, rifle scopes, and accessories that many believe offer the best lineup and value in the industry. That's the obvious reason why Alpen has been the 5-time winner of Outdoor Life's Gear Test Great Buy Category Award. Today, Alpen's objective is to provide superior quality optical products at affordable prices. When you purchase an Alpen product, you can rest assured that every Alpen product possesses the best in glass, coatings, and rugged outer bodies. This is the kind of quality, value, and performance you expect from Alpen.
I can still remember my first ugly stick. Of course, I was just a kid and yeah, okay, I was a klutz, but my ugly stick bounced back. And better than that, it caught fish. Big fish. You know, I've still got that ugly stick, but today, bought a new one. Hey, careful, careful. Yeah, right.
The Ugly Stick by Shakespeare. America's strongest rod for generations.
Automobile accident. All of a sudden, your life has changed. Headaches, neck pain, whiplash, mid-back pain, low back pain, radiating pain and numbness into the arms, hands, legs, and feet. Want relief? Come to Massey Chiropractic Clinic. They have state-of-the-art cervical and lumbar decompression tables, which reduces surgery by 86%. We have 2 locations to better serve you. 4100 Louisiana Avenue in Lake Charles, 439-9306, and 1908 Maplewood Drive in Sulphur, 533-8750. Massey Chiropractic. Relief is just a phone call away.
Billy Navarre dealership, I did notice that it was a very comfortable atmosphere, and I knew that everyone was relaxed and everyone was very knowledgeable and everyone was very helpful. My salesperson at Billy Navarre was very much a professional, and I was impressed with the amount of knowledge that he had on the vehicles. He had a wealth of knowledge on all the vehicles. The benefits of dealing with Billy Navarre Chevrolet would be that you have that assurance that if you ever need any kind of assistance in the future, that they will be there for you, and that's very important to me.
It's a good fish. Oh, maybe it was just wrapped around something. It feels fairly good anyway.
Oh,
good fish.
good fish.
Oh, he just got wrapped around something again. He's coming.
Got something to wrap on, Clay?
Yeah. Here he comes. Get ready. Oh.
Look at that.
Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug. A little 5-pounder. Ah. El Salto. I don't know how many of the things we caught today. He might go 6. Yeah, pretty heavy. Outdoors with Doc, El Salto. I don't know what to say anymore. We've caught so many fish, so many big fish, good fish. It's almost ridiculous. So, y'all look at the numbers on the screen. El Salto, Pro Bass, I'm just tired. El Salto Pro Bass Adventure, and we're outdoors with Doc. The numbers are going to be on the screen. Give us a call. You want to do some fabulous fishing. This is the place. Y'all seen fish from all sizes, 5s and 6s all the way up to 16. So outdoors with Doc. Let's go get some more. Si, senor.
Spike It lures and dips. If fish don't like it, just spike it. Bullet weights. Cummings nets. Mustad hooks featuring the Ultra Sharp, Ultra Point. Shakespeare rods and reels, makers of the Ugly Stick, America's strongest rod. Cajun Line Company, suppliers of Cajun Red Lightning line. Pfluger Fishing Tackle, it's love at first bite. Bass Assassin Lures.
Still there, man. Yeah, he's coming.
Coming?
Yeah. That's not a real good fit. Huh? All right, the last cast. Caught a nice little fish on the last cast. Boy, he nailed it too. Come on, jump for me. Do a little dance.
Sing a little song, do a little thing.
Come on. That's all you're gonna do? Well, I guess that's it. Oh man, that thing is kind of heavy. Good 4-pounder. Huh?
Yeah.
Outdoors with Doc. This is ending our series here at El Salto. And I want to tell you one thing. We had the best guides. We had the best boats. What was the 4 B's again? Food and accommodations. John Juan is the guy managing the place. He's with us today. Aaron couldn't be here today, so he took care of us the first 2 days. And Juan took care of us today. And you can see we was with Aaron yesterday and all. We caught a lot of fish those 2 days. Caught a lot of fish with Juan today. Excellent trip. We caught over 300 pounds of fish.
Oh, easy.
Easy, in 3 days. So I tell you what, y'all give us a call. The numbers are going to be on the screen, and come get some of this fabulous fishing. This is Outdoors with Doc in El Salto, Mexico, Lake El Salto, Mexico, right out of La Cruz, which is right out of Mazatlan. And come get some of this fabulous fish and some of this fabulous food. And they take such good care of you, it's unbelievable. So this is Outdoors with Doc, leaving El Salto, but we'll be back. Let's go get some more. All right, this is our last night at the lodge and the restaurant part of the lodge. And of course you got a menu where you can just pick whatever you want. So I got T-bone steak, he's got fried chicken, and you got filet mignon. So you can see how the meals are fabulous and you can't go wrong. Outdoors with Doc. Y'all give me a call. Let's come down here and do some of this fine fishing, fine eating. Let's go get some more.
Outdoors with Doc, the Cajun Outdoorsman, brought to you by Billy Navarre Chevrolet, Lake Charles and Sulphur. Montana Tractors from South Circle Tractor Sales, Alexandria, Louisiana. See Mitch. Trophy Bass Fishing, Lake Guerrero, Mexico. Plain old tackle boxes featuring the Tackle Logic system. Pfluger fishing tackle, love at the first bite. Shakespeare rods, manufacturers of the Ugly Stick, America's strongest rod. Cajun Line Company, manufacturers of Cajun Red Lightning line. Hunter Supply and Pistol Range with an indoor pistol range. Reeves Taxidermy, nationally certified, Gillis, Louisiana.